So the question today is, KG, I want to invest in short-term rentals. What do you think? Ooh, we'll talk about it in a minute. Hey there, this is KG. I'm a realtor with Fairfax Realtor in Gribbets, where we help buyers to buy their dream home and sellers to sell their houses. And we do this in the Maryland, DC, and Virginia region. So if you're looking to buy, sell, move, or invest in real estate, contact us below. We'll take care of it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get updates once we upload a new video. So short-term rentals, investing in short-term rental. Short-term rental is all the rage right now. You know what I'm talking about? Airbnb, vacation homes. So these are what we're talking about. So should you be investing in short-term rentals? What you should know before you make your move. So I'm going to discuss things that you need to be aware of before you make the move investing in short-term rentals. So short-term rentals typically generates over 30% more than long-term rentals. So what does that mean? Means if you do a short-term rentals, you're more likely to generate more money, 30%, than renting to somebody that will rent for long-term, 1 year or 2 year lease. Yeah, short-term rental also have rules and regulations, just like long-term rental, that guides them. So even though you're going to rent short-term, you still have some rules and regulations that guide, and these rules and regulation ordinances is based on the community, the town, the municipality, the state that you're in. So before you venture out to invest in short-term rentals, I'm going to discuss 5 things that you should be aware of. First thing, not all properties can qualify for short-term rentals. What am I talking about? So you want to make sure when you're looking at a property, what are the rules for the community? If it's in a homeowner association community or a condo, what are the rules for the city or the municipalities? So those rules made to allow you to be able to run a short-term rental business. It is a business. Are there restrictions? So before you jump in and buy a property, you want to make sure you know what the requirements and the rules are for that property. The property may be good, but the rules and regulation may not allow you to do short-term rentals. Also, amenities. How close are amenities surrounding the properties? Are they close to metro, to public transportation, shopping? I mean, these are things that people that are going to rent houses from you short term may be interested in. So you really want to look at the amenities that is close to the community or to the location or where the house is, right? That's the first one. Second one, short-term rentals to set up requires money. So you have to budget for that, right? After you buy the property, yeah, good, you buy the property, but then for you to start running that business, you have to make sure you have budget to furnish it, budget for all the appliances, budget for the beddings, for the kitchen utensils, security system, Wi-Fi, remote control to be able to, set the alarm or the code remotely. You want to budget for all these things, and also make plans for cleaning. All right, when somebody rent from you for 2 days, 3 days, you want to have a cleaning crew that will come in and clean it, or you clean it yourself, doesn't matter, as soon as possible before the next renter comes in. That's the second one. The third one is short-term rental is a business, right? So that means you have to treat it as a business. The IRS is going to get their money from you, so you want to make sure you're aware of that. You have to treat it as a business. Keep logs of all your expenses so that when you file your tax at the end of the year, you are able to provide information for all your expenses. So keep tab of it as a business. That's the third one. The fourth one is, because short-term rental is a business, if you're going to apply for a mortgage to buy the house, you need to disclose to the lender that this is what you're going to use it for. Don't lie. Don't think I'm going to just buy as a regular investment and then you start running as a short-term renter. You want to disclose. It may require you put additional money down. It may even require that that lender cannot do that loan. You go for another lender. But it's always good to disclose so that if anything happens, you're covered. And also the insurance you're going to get. The homeowner's insurance, you want to disclose to your homeowner's insurance that this is what you're using it for, so that you are adequately covered, right? Last but not the least, don't think, oh, I'm going to skirt the rules and regulation and don't register my property, nobody's going to know. Listen, if you are required to register your property as short-term renter, please do. They may not know, the government may not know, the state or local government may not know for a while, but something is going to happen. Once they know, you're going to pay a hefty penalty. So do it the right way. Short-term rental is profitable, but you want to make sure, like I said, location, and follow all these 5 rules that I put down before you invest your money. So go invest, go make some money in short-term rental. So listen, if you're looking to invest in real estate, short-term or long-term, or buy or sell real estate in the Maryland, DC, or Virginia region, contact us below. We'll take care of it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get updates once we upload a new video. Happy investing.